Hello, sir. Hi. So, did you won?
Hi Raj, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. How are you?
I'm fine. Feeling?
So, did you won?
How are you feeling now?
Yes, sir.
How's your
I
health?
I feel a little bit good. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm fine. Yeah, I'm fine.
I thought you did not recover. I was not sure if you'll attend the session.
So, did you won?
I wasn't sure you'll attend the session.
No, sir. Today I was feeling a little bit okay. So I
Good, good.
thought like that's I'll just attend the session today.
It's
Yeah.
good to see you. It's good to see. Did you get yourself checked for COVID?
No, sir. I didn't get checked for COVID because I was not having any major symptoms. It was a normal fever yesterday. And day before yesterday there was some breathing issues, but that was I think anxiety because I get anxiety all the time. So yeah, that was anxiety. It was a little bit fever and a little bit cold, but now I feel okay. From today morning I feel okay. I did an antibody test actually, so antibody test was negative. Like, I have chances that I have COVID right now, but I don't think so because I'm feeling good right now. Yeah.
Okay, good to see. Right.
Yes, sir.
Today we are going to discuss miscellaneous topics. These will
Okay.
get you around 10 to 15 marks in the
Sir, read you
examination.
one. Read you one.
So, what I'm talking about is doing miscellaneous topics. Okay, miscellaneous.
Yeah.
When I say miscellaneous, I mean these are little pointers which you can easily find out on your application computer.
Okay.
These are widely spread everywhere in the textbook. If we go to read the textbook, but if we study it with a strategy in mind, then it becomes very. So today we are going to discuss these topics. And
Yes, sir.
after we cover these topics, then we will come back to uh, total correction angle and the closing angle stuff,
Mm,
which we were doing last time. So today's topic
yeah.
is completely new. So first thing I want to show you is that there are multiple things you will be required to find out. Things like rate of climb, fuel, sums related to
So read
distance,
you too.
sums related to distance, speed, and time,
Okay.
sums related to distance, speed, and time, rate of climb indicator, and a few more things. So let's discuss one thing.
Yeah.
Before that, we'll start with questions. Do you have any questions about any concept that we have covered
No, sir. No, sir.
from
No questions.
classes, previous coaching center, anything that comes to you?
No, 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 sir. No questions. Right.
Mm, no questions.
Yeah.
Okay, I have a question for you. What is the definition of drift?
So repeat, please. Can you pardon? Pardon, please.
What is the when you have to ask me to repeat, you say again.
Y- Say again. Yeah, sure.
Mm.
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by drift?
A drift. Okay. So, sir, drift is one second. Drift is the direction, the change of the direction of the aircraft, which is due to the wind velocity. Like basically, when when like for when wind is pushing me away from my actual heading, from my like from the heading which was given to me, and I'm going to some another heading. So the angle which I'm like, uh, so the what I'll say, so the drift I'm create नहीं drift तो नहीं बोलेंगे उसको, one second.
You're
Like for
making it
example, if
too
I'm going,
complicated. It's a simple
yes,
term.
yes, yes,
It's a simple term. So try to keep it simple.
yeah. So drift, one second. So from so when wind velocity pushes my aircraft from my actual heading to a different heading,
Okay.
is known as drift,
See,
basically.
I know you understand the concept. Now you have to
Yeah,
be able to tell it to someone else. So you
yeah,
say, uh, when the aircraft heading
yeah,
is same as the aircraft's desired track,
yeah.
we understand there are zero winds. An aircraft
Zero, yeah,
is
zero
headed
winds.
in the direction in which it wants to go.
Yeah,
When the same aircraft is subjected to any winds,
yeah.
then the heading is changed depending upon the wind. And because
Depending
of
upon
the
the wind.
change in the heading,
Yes,
the
sir.
track is changed to track made good. The
Yes, sir.
difference between the track made good and the desired
And the
track
trick is known as
is known as drift.
drift. Yes, sir.
Something
Got
like
it.
that. Yeah, you forgot track
Yeah.
made.
Yes, I forgot track mode. Yeah.
You were dealing with heading, but no, it doesn't go with heading. Heading is different. Heading is the
Yes.
direction in which the aircraft points.
Yes, sir. True. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Heading is the direction in which the aircraft points,
Enough points. Yeah.
or the fore and aft axis of the aircraft points,
Or the longitudinal axis
longitudinal
of the
axis or
aircraft point.
fore and
Yes.
aft axis of the aircraft. Where drift is measured from heading. Okay.
Yeah. From heading. Yes, sir. From heading to the track made good.
Yes.
Yeah.
From heading to the track. Where now we're saying the correct. What we
Yeah.
do in real life, we allow for the drift. In order
drift,
to allow for
and
the
we,
drift, we
yeah,
turn the aircraft in the opposite direction of the drift.
in the opposite direction. Yeah,
So our heading changes. Our heading changes, land, but we stay on our desired track.
on our desired track. Yeah.
Go through all your notes till date, whatever. See if you have a question
Yes, sir. Yeah.
right now. Yes,
Yeah.
you had some gap, 2 day gap. So
Yes,
it's
sir.
good if you.
British directions. Mm,
I want you to be completely thorough with the concept. I don't want you to be like partially thorough with subjects.
yes, sir.
So whatever you're learning, it should be like completely done.
Yes, sir.
Is the nav calci on?
Yes, sir. It is. Yeah.
Good. Did you play around with it?
Yes, sir, I did a bit.
Good. Slowly you get a hang of it.
Yeah. No, sir. No question.
Good, good. Try to force couple of questions. You have to ask your mind. If you're not able to give answers and if you think you don't have questions, then there's something is wrong.
Okay.
Or maybe you can say, sir, I've just revised and now I'm doing in a better way, so I don't have any questions.
Yes, sir.
Then
That is one of the point.
that
Yeah.
is one of the points.
And so
Very
also I have understood the topic, but not in the, but not in what I'll say. I can also explain it, but not in the manner, like not in the book manner or in the bookish language, as we say.
it's okay. You have to
So
understand your priority is to understand the concept. That's it. And
yes, sir.
try your best to formulate answers.
Yes, sir.
That's the moment you start reading the textbook, it will become very quick.
Yes,
But
sir.
right now, we are working on the concept, and the concept should be thoroughly registered in your mind. Okay. All right. Let me show you
But
uh, something known as fuel flow.
okay.
Fuel flow is given to you in kg per hour.
Per hour. Okay.
Most of the times, you will be required to change your answers from hours to minutes.
Okay.
If I need to convert this into minutes, what will I do? I'll divide 2000 kg per hour by 60.
2060. Yeah.
Use the calci, give me the answer.
Yes, sir.
So any value that you have in hour, if you have to convert it into minutes, you will divide it by 60
Yes, sir.
because 1 hour has
So
60 minutes.
yeah,
Remember
one
this.
hour and 16. Yeah. So we'll divide 2000 by 60.
Hmm.
Okay. Where's the calci? 1 second. So, calculator.
Start
Yeah.
with start with the first option and keep exploring your nav calci.
Yes, sir.
There are many keys, many functions. I want you to play around with it. I'll definitely give you a demonstration,
Yes, sir.
but just play around, just
So
like you did with
I'll
V6B.
I'll just find the calci first. 1 second.
You have a
Calci
scientific calci,
divided.
right?
I do have, but I have
Yeah.
today I don't have that.
For normal calculations, use the scientific calci, and for NAP calculations, use the NAP.
Yeah. So
There is a key called calci
2000.
in your NAP
Oh yeah,
calci.
yeah, yeah. Got it. Got it. Yeah.
Yeah.
It will be
Press.
33.33.
Say again.
33.33
So 33.33 kilograms per minute.
per minute. Yeah.
Just do 33.33 into 60. What is the answer? If you have to check this answer in hours.
33.33 into 60. Yeah. One second. 33.33 into 60. 33.33 into 60. 33. It is, yeah, 1,999.8. That is 2000.
2000. So your fuel flow
Yeah.
for your present configuration of life is this much. 2000 kg
Yeah.
per hour. Every hour you
Per hour
are consuming 2000 kg of fuel.
of fuel. Yeah.
Fuel consumption is different from fuel flow. So we are talking about
Yes, sir.
fuel flow. How much fuel is
Fuel flow.
flowing at the given point in time? This is the rate. So every minute there is the fuel flow of 33 point or 33.33 kilograms.
Yes, sir.
Remember, this is one conversion. Try to find
Yeah.
out fuel flow related calculations in your app calculator. Where will you
In
find
my
it?
nav,
Check in
in the
plan
fuel
leg,
section.
fuel section. Okay.
Yeah. So type is AV gas, obviously fuel. So there is volume, duration, rate, weight, and rate. One more time, there is rate. Yes, I found it.
Where?
So in the fuel section, I found it, but the values are in gallons.
Yeah. So imperial gallons.
Yeah,
Okay. You have to convert gallons into uh what
kgs,
liters. Gallons is volume.
liters. Okay. Yeah.
Gallons and liters. You will need to make the conversions. You have a unit converter in your app calculator.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. There is. Yeah.
Yeah. So you can change. You press on the same button, gallons will be changed to liters.
2 liter. Yeah. Mm.
It's a very simple calculator.
Yes, sir.
Slowly. So we don't want volume, we want kg, or there could be a
Kg.
converter for volume to weight also.
Yes, sir.
So basically, you should know where these calculations are. Right now, you don't have such a sum on screen. We are just converting kg to minutes. The first thing you're learning is
Yeah.
how to change hours into minutes by dividing the value of hours into, not into, but by 60.
Yes, sir.
What we're learning, how to come up with answers for hours in minutes, divide the value by 60.
Sir, read you too.
If you have to convert the value for minutes to hours, you will multiply that by 60. If you want to
60. Yeah.
convert hours to minutes, you will divide it by 60. Write it down.
Divided by 60. Yeah.
Write it down. Thumb rule
Yeah.
number one for today. When you have to convert hours to minutes, divide by 60. And point number two,
Yes, sir.
when you have to convert minutes to hours, multiply by 60.
Yes, sir.
You read the line. Remember this. This thumb rule has universal application. You can use it anywhere. In examination, you have to be on the lookout for it. Okay.
Yes, sir. To convert hours to minutes, divided by 60. To convert minutes to hours, multiply it by 60. 60. Yeah.
Remember,
Yes, sir.
we just saw it from the above example. The thumb stands true. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then we have sums related to distance, speed, and time. Find that out, Calci.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Did you find
Yeah,
it?
so there is
Hmm.
airspeed, fuel, climb, descent, wind component, distance, speed, and time. One second. Mm,
Check every
so where
option one by one. Check every option one by one and exit it. You'll
so
find
there
it.
is holding pattern, run line, wind correction, compensating two from estimated time arrival, wind component, climb, descent, glide, ground speed, fuel, airspeed, standard cloud base, altitude limit.
Check in ground speed
I
and check in airspeed.
think yes, yes, a distance, duration, and time, and ground speed. Yeah,
It's in ground speed.
yes, sir.
Okay. Write down one question. Question
Yeah.
number one. Write it down. How far would you go in 48
How
minutes
far you go
in 48
in
minutes
48 minutes? Yeah,
at 120 knots ground speed?
at 120 knots ground
Ground
speed.
speed.
Yeah. So duration is
What's the unit in your calci? Is it in minutes or is it in hours? First, focus
hours.
on
It
that.
is in hours. So yeah.
So
So
first,
so yeah.
convert your minutes into hours and then use the value. Always remember the units should match.
0.66.
Learn,
Yes, sir.
okay?
Yeah, yeah.
So I write down my equation like
0.66.
this. Time 48 minutes, ground
And
speed 120 knots.
120.
How much is
So
48 minutes in
79.20, 79.20 nautical miles.
hours? Did you convert your minutes into hours?
Yes, sir.
How? How much is the value? 48 minutes is how
So
many
so
hours?
48. Okay, 48 minutes. Sorry, sorry. Divided by 0.8 grams. It will be 0.8 and this grounds will be
We had
120.
done this
96
equation.
nautical miles. Yeah, yeah, 96 nautical miles.
What is the value of 48 minutes in hours?
48 minutes in hours is 0.80 hours.
0.80.
Yeah, or 0.80. Yes, sir. 8.
0.80.
Yeah,
Uh, there is a converter in the calci unit
yeah.
converter. In that you can convert easily time into minutes and minutes into hours. Go back to that. Check.
Yes, sir.
There is a button for unit converter.
Du- Yes, sir. It is. Yes, sir. There it is.
Cross check. Yeah.
Sir, it is wrong.
I don't know. I did not solve it. See,
No, sir. It is.
see,
Yeah.
all your answers you should cross check when you're learning.
Yes,
Right
sir.
now, I'm
So, sir,
I'm
in
showing.
unit converter, there is so there is distance, speed, temperature, pressure, volume, rate, but how to convert? Yeah, backspace. Yes, sir. It will be 0.8.
How?
So 48 minutes. Ah, 1 second. So
You did not get
48
it on the
minutes.
calci?
No, sir. I did not get it on the
There is
calc.
another way to find out.
Yeah.
Get back to,
So 1 second. 1 second. There's someone.
yeah, no, take your time.
हाँ जम के खींच बेटा जम के खींच कौन है बाहर में उनको बोल धक्का देंगे बोलना धक्का देंगे 1 second.
Sure, sure, sure.
Amazon. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. पता नहीं मेरा पास देते नहीं Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, I'm back.
Good.
Yeah. So, sir, you told me that if you want to convert minutes into hours,
Hmm.
so minutes is 48 minutes into hours. 48 minutes into hours. So it will be mm, to convert hours to minutes. This is 48 minutes. Yeah.
I was telling you there is another way. The another way is go back
Yes,
to
sir.
distance, speed, and time. In that, when you are adding
Yes, sir.
duration, over there only, if you keep pressing it, it will change its unit.
Okay, 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 okay.
Just
Yes,
try
sir.
that.
1 second. Okay, set units. Yes, minutes is 48 and speed is 120. Yes, sir. 96 nautical miles. Yeah.
First, give me the answer for 48 minutes to hour.
48 minutes to hours will be 0.8 hours.
So, was your scientific calculation correct as per the nav calci?
Yes, sir, it was.
Did you know? Do you know now how to find out minutes into hours by your scientific calci?
Yes, sir.
48 minutes is 0.8 hours. Now, what is the formula?
Yeah.
If I have to ask you to do it without the calci, then what is the formula?
So if
Distance
I
is
have
equal
to
to
convert, yeah, distance, what's that? Distance is equal to speed into time.
speed into time.
Upon, yeah, speed into time.
Speed into
Or
time
speed.
is equal to 120 into 0.8 is equal to. Wait, the screen is stuck. I'll share the screen again. Okay.
1 second. 120.
Are you following? There are two ways to
Yes, sir, I am.
solve. There are two ways to solve
Yes, sir.
using the nav calci and using normal mathematical calculations using a normal calculator.
Yes, sir.
We are done there. Distance is
Yes, sir.
equal to speed into time, correct? 120
Yeah.
to 0.8. For this, you should have your scientific calculation.
Yes, sir.
Can you get it? Is it possible?
So 1 minute, I'll get it. It is in
Mhm.
already. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Good. 96 nautical miles. Your answer is correct. Even my answer is correct.
Yes, sir.
I think it matches. Do question number two.
Yes, sir.
In 30 minutes, you have covered
In 30
90 nautical
minutes,
miles over ground.
90 nautical miles over ground. Okay.
What is your ground speed?
Ground speed. Ground speed. That speed. So it is distance is 90 nautical
I'm
miles.
sorry.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. 30. So ground speed is 180
What's the
knots.
unit? Never give answer without the units.
Knots. Yeah.
How come? Break down the equation. Tell me how.
Okay, yeah. So I had my duration that was 30. So time is equals to 30. And distance will be 90 nautical miles. And I need to find the speed.
Ground.
So speed is equals to mm, mm, 3.
What happened? You had to walk me down, walk me through the steps.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You solved it, right?
I have solved it. Yeah.
So,
1 second. Sir. 30. One
first
second.
step, you should be like this. That's the first step. Convert time from minutes to hours.
Yes, sir. Time minutes
Did
to
you do
hours.
that?
Yes, sir. Yes, I did that.
See,
And
there are
distance was 90 nautical miles.
yeah, you have two ways to do it. You have one way which is nav calci, which will directly give you the answer. Either you solve by nav
Yeah.
calci, then cross check using scientific calci, or you first solve using
Yes, sir.
scientific calci and then use the nav calci to cross check. Use only one method
Okay.
and then use the another method to cross check your answer and see what you like
Yes,
better.
sir.
See what you find better. But the step remains the same. Time should be converted from
Okay.
minutes to hours.
2 hours. Yeah. So 90. Yeah. So the
You
time
too
is
long.
30 minutes. Time is
Yeah.
30 minutes and the distance is 90 nautical miles. So first I will convert my minutes into hours, that is 0.5 hours, and and then I'll just solve it. So it will be speed is equals to distance upon time. So it will be 90 divided by 0.5, which is 180 ground speed. Knots, sorry. So my speed is 180 knots.
Always use a calculator to solve all equations. Don't
Yes,
put
sir.
verbal
Yes, sir.
ground speed is 1 knots. Check,
180 knots. Yeah.
replace the values in app calci and see what your answer comes as
Yes,
per
sir. Yes, sir. It is. It is 180 knots.
180 knots.
Yeah.
Very good. Do another one. Question number
Yes,
3.
sir.
Your ground speed is 220 knots
220 knots.
and you have 57 nautical miles to go.
And I have 27 nautical miles to go.
Correct?
Okay.
Negative 57 nautical.
57 nautical miles to go. Okay.
How long will it take you? So what is
How
given
long
and
will it
what do you
take
have to find out?
me? Okay. So ground speed is given to me. That is 220 nautical miles. And I have to go 57 nautical miles. So, mm, distance is 7. And ground speed is 220. So, 57 minutes. So, 7 by 60, it will be
Which method are
0.95.
you using first?
So first I have used the NAFCalc, now I'm using scientific calculator.
What's the answer as per the napkin?
The answer is 15.55 minutes. That is 16 minutes. Approx. 15.55
No,
minutes.
no. 15.55 minutes. So 0.55 minutes you have to convert into. So 0.55, 15.55 hours is the answer. 0.55 you have to convert into minutes. So 15 hours and certain minutes will be answer.
1 second. So 1 second. Hmm.
The answer you got is hours. So 15
Yeah.
hours is good, but the decimal value of hours you have to change it to minutes.
Okay. Okay.
Are
Yes.
you following?
Yes, sir, I am.
So when I say 5.5 hours, 5.5 hours actually means 5 hours and 30 minutes. So 0.5
So, but you
hours.
told me that to go distance is 57 minutes.
Mhm. Distance is 57 nautical miles.
Yes, sir. 57 nautical miles is my distance, right? So 57 nautical miles is my distance, and my speed is 220 knots. So distance is 51. Distance is 57,
So
and my
time
ground
is
speed
equal
is
to distance upon speed,
220.
right?
So the answer will be 15 minutes. No, 15.55 minutes is my answer because I have converted time into minutes like earlier.
What is the value of time? Time is distance upon speed, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Time, value of time. 1 second. Distance. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Correct.
What is the speed?
So
220 knots.
220 knots. Yes.
So what's the value?
220.
What is your answer? What
Zero.
is your answer?
15.55 minutes.
Okay, 15.55 minutes. So you
Yes.
have already converted hours to minutes to give me
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
15.55 minutes. So
Yeah.
15 minutes, 15.55 minutes will
55.
be
No.
15
15
minutes
minutes.
and certain seconds,
55 seconds. 55
not
seconds.
55
Yeah.
seconds. No, no. 0.55 divided by 60 will give you seconds. Similar
Okay.
to what you do
Yes.
with hours to change it to minutes, you will do to minutes
Yes,
to
sir.
change it to seconds.
Yes, sir.
So do that. Okay. Sorry, I didn't hear it properly. My bad. Okay, correct. 15 minutes, 15 point something. So change the point something to seconds by dividing the decimal value by 60.
Yes, sir.
So how
So
much the value?
0.55 divided by 60,
60.
that is 9. So 15 minutes, 9 seconds.
No, that is not a correct answer. 0.55.
0.5. Yeah. So I'll divide it by 60, right?
Hmm.
So my answer will be 9.16.
9.16.
Yes, sir.
9 seconds is not correct, actually. What's the answer from your scientific calculation? Time?
It is 15 minutes, 0.55, 15.55 minutes.
on your nav calc.
In Yes, on my nav
Show
calculator.
me.
So distance is 57, right? Nautical miles. And
Correct.
the ground speed is 220 knots, right?
Correct.
Yeah. So duration will be 15.55.
Duration is 15.55 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me- I want to change 0.55 into seconds. Okay. Let
Yes.
me try. Let me try.
5 divided
Minutes
by
to
60.
seconds. How many minutes? 0.55.
Yeah. It will be
No,
0.009167.
for some reason, I think you're not solving it properly. Let me check what's the mistake.
Yeah.
I get it. I get it. Wait, it's not your fault. It's the formula that is wrong. Okay.
So from minutes
You
to
have to multiply by 60 decimal
multiply by
values.
60. Yes, sir. So it will be 33. Yeah. Yes,
Remember
I did
this.
it now. So it will be 15 minutes, 33 seconds.
15 minutes, 33
Yes.
seconds.
Yes.
How did I get to know your 9 answer was incorrect? Because 9 seconds cannot be 0.5
9
minutes.
second. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Point 0.5
It
should be
cannot
30
be. Yeah.
seconds.
30 seconds. Yeah. True. True.
Common sense.
Yeah. Yeah.
So understand, we made a
Yes,
mistake
sir.
with the formula. How did we know we
Yeah.
made a mistake? By working it out in
By
reverse.
working it out. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So navigation should be like this for you.
Sorry, sir.
You should not be
Yeah.
hard-headed. You should be flexible with all logical concepts.
Flexible.
You have
Yes, sir.
calculators in your hand. You cannot go wrong with any
Yes,
answer.
sir.
Okay, you keep
True.
playing with it.
Yeah.
Keep playing and figuring out. You don't stick to your answer unless you cross-check your answer and use your
Yes, sir.
logic.
Yes, sir.
In your examination, you will get an option which matches 15 minutes, 9
Which match?
seconds.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Because they know people
I'll
will
get.
make
Yeah.
common mistakes. And if you are
Yes,
hard-headed,
sir.
you will be like, जो आ गया वही mark करना है. No, cross-check it couple of
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
times. It is very easy.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So if I divide 57 by 2 to 0,
It will be 0.26 hours,
57 by 2 to
like in hours, right?
is equal to 0.25.
25. Yeah.
And then what I do to 0.25?
Multiply it by 60.
It is in hours. So if I convert it into minutes, I multiply it by 60,
60. Yes, sir.
15.54, and 0.54 again I multiply by 60.
60. Yeah.
So yeah. So it's okay to be confused initially, but you always remember if you keep a level of cross checking, a buffered level, then you will never get
Yes,
wrong.
sir. Yes, sir.
So you write 15 minutes and then quickly 0.54 multiplied by 60. Sorry,
Yes, sir. 15.33 minutes. 15 minutes, 33 seconds. Yeah.
I'm getting 32 seconds. It's okay.
Yeah.
I did 0.54 into 60. That's why I'm getting this answer.
Okay.
So this is the total time required. Uh,
Yes, sir.
15 minutes, 32 seconds, or 15 minutes for 15.55 minutes, or this. So you now know how to do distance, speed, time. You know how to convert
Yes, sir.
kilograms into hours into minutes and minutes into hours. Now we are going to talk about something known as. Can you recall?
No, sir. RAM rise.
Ram air is a term when your aircraft is moving like this, it feels as if a lot of strong wind is blowing on the face or in the opposite direction of your flight.
Yes, sir.
This air is known as ram
RAM. Yeah.
due to the relative airflow. Whenever
Yeah.
you're driving or you're on a bike, you feel a lot of wind blowing on your face, on your
You know.
skin. That is ram air.
Yes, sir. RAM. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because of this ram air, there is an increase in the pressure, air pressure.
Yeah.
This increase in the pressure is known as ram rise.
Okay.
Because of this increase in the pressure, other units also change, like temperature. Because
Yes, sir.
temperature is related to pressure,
Yeah.
pressure is related to volume, and everything is inter. So there is a
Yes,
basic
sir.
formula for ram rise. Ram rise can be defined as ram rise is equal to total air temperature minus static air temperature.
Minus static air temperature.
So
Okay.
static air temperature is the prevailing temperature of the air around you. And
Yes, sir.
when that temperature under the influence of the RAM air increases, you get total air
Yes, sir.
temperature. So whatever
Yeah.
temperature you are getting by your temperature sensing instruments, there is a temperature
Yes.
indicator. That is total air temperature. You
Total
have
air
to
temperature.
find
Yeah.
out the static air temperature to get your airspeed readings and altimeter readings and so many other things. So you have to account
Yes,
for
sir.
your RAM rise.
Yeah.
Just stand by.
Yeah.
So what is RAM rise?
RAM rise is total air temperature minus
Minus static air
static air
temperature.
temperature. Yeah.
But do you understand how it is? What it is? It
Yes,
is
sir.
because of
Yes,
the
sir. Yes,
RAM.
sir.
You will be surprised to know that there is an engine known as RAM jet.
What's sir?
There is an engine
Okay.
known as RAM jet.
Ramjet. Okay.
When you are at
Is
an
that the
altitude,
small engine? Is no, I don't think that is the engine.
it is an engine that uses RAM air. So you need a lot of RAM
Yeah.
air, and this RAM jet can give you increased thrust. But to avail the benefits of RAM jet, you have to first go to a certain altitude and certain airspeed, and after
Okay.
that you can utilize RAM jet, uh, RAM air.
Okay. Okay.
What is static air temperature? Static air temperature is the at is the temperature of the ambient atmosphere surrounding the aircraft with no inaccuracies caused by the measurement process.
Okay.
So actual static air temperature,
Okay.
pure reading without any inaccuracy of your temperature sensing probe. What is the
Yeah.
inaccuracy? Time rise is the inaccuracy.
Lime rises. Yeah.
This is the temperature we need to calculate TAS from CAS. So
Yes, sir.
basically, in order to calculate your total air direction, true airspeed, you need
Yeah.
static air temperature. In order to find out your pressure altitude, you need static air temperature. See, I told you,
Static
temperature is
temperature.
associated with altitude readings and airspeed.
Altitude. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So which temperature do you want to measure your true air speed and to measure your pressure altitude? You want static air temperature.
Static air temperature. Yeah.
How will you find static air temperature? By calculating RAM rise from your total air temperature.
Total air temperature. Yeah.
And how do you get total air temperature? That is the reading obtained from the
That is,
temperature
yeah.
indicator,
Yes, sir.
temperature sensing instruments. Following, following,
Yes, I am. Yes, sir.
you also need static air temperature to calculate TAS from Mach. Now, airspeed can be
Yeah.
measured in TAS. Airspeed can be measured in Mach number compared to the speed of sound. If you have Mach, you
Yeah.
can find out TAS using RAM rise. Now,
Yes,
all
sir.
this is there in your NavCalc, but still we will see how it is done without the NavCalc.
Yeah.
Don't mind, okay? Don't feel that I'm saying something. Don't feel hurt. But how come you didn't buy a NavCalc, but you have undergone navigation classes big time?
I, I really don't know this. This was the same question I was having yesterday. I really don't know this actually.
Were you bunking
Because
your lectures in Delhi?
no. So I was not bunking my lectures.
Okay. Then
So like basically,
they didn't tell you to get a NavCalc?
they did tell me to get an app Kelsey, but
They never checked?
they also I never checked, I guess. And also, so my like my friends group. So like we were four. So in the whole class we were just 4 to 5 students to apply for CPL. Rest was ATPL.
So they are okay.
Yeah.
It's okay. I
So
mean,
we five. Yeah.
I
So
have
so
seen.
none of us actually bought the NAF Kelsey actually.
And what about the ATPL students from your batch?
ATPLs were having, but actually we were also told to like do the sums without NAF Kelsey also. I remember this, I guess. Yeah.
I don't know. I smell something fishy because uh, when you're solving navigation, when you're doing navigation, you have to come to right answers. Me as a teacher, I've also
Yes, sir.
faced problems where there are times when we don't come to right answers to certain questions, and we spend 4 hours, 5 hours trying to understand one question. That has happened with me
Yeah.
also. I cannot
Yeah.
imagine the total course of training going through like that.
Okay. Yeah, yeah.
It's okay, but I'm just surprised to see you've invested so much of money and given them time. Then
Yes, sir.
how come you're not used to these things? So,
Yes, sir.
so probably you should talk to your instructor and see, sir, ये navigation आपने अच्छे से क्यों नहीं पढ़ा? Let's see what
Yes,
they
sir.
say. So now you have to buck up, okay? You have to make sure that whatever you're learning with me is concrete in your head.
Yes, sir.
I don't want you to forget it again.
Yes, sir.
Following, I want you to retain this memory for the rest of your life.
Yes, sir.
You're following, right?
Yes, I am.
I can see you have the potential.
Yeah.
Focus, you practice. That's it.
Yeah.
Focus and practice. Focus in the lecture, practice before and after the lecture. Simple.
Yeah.
One thing I want to tell you, I've seen this that students are not told the advantage of NavCalc, and
Yeah.
students are not given the key to crack navigation. Even I discovered it sometime some years before only my training. Before that, I used to find training for navigation to be very difficult. But
Yes, sir.
because I was spending so much time with the subject, I realized there is a key to it. Now, what I gained with experience, I'm trying to share it with my students firsthand. So,
Yes,
what
sir.
I did with 2, 3, 4 years of experience, I can give it to you in every session.
Yes,
You
sir.
will only be benefited if you retain it and hold it in yourself. Remember, okay?
Yes, sir.
I'm
Yeah.
emphasizing on it again and again that don't forget and master these concepts. Don't forget, but master these
Yes, sir.
concepts.
Yeah.
You want to answer that?
Sir, can we just take a break for like 10 minutes?
10
I
minutes?
feel a bit low. Yeah, please.
Okay, I'll see you at 4 5.
Yeah, sure. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Okay.